Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So as you can see in the session today, we did print some money, and I think actually we have a trading opportunity right away. So let's change to 30 and let's see. There we are in. Good entry. Yeah, let's do that while we're talking. So like I said, we have done good with the session today. If you want to print money together with me in my Forex and buy and option sessions, you can do so too. You find links below the video for Telegram and for WhatsApp, so you can join there. Also, if you want to trade with the same broker you see I use here now, just use the link you see up here right now, and you can sign up and you can start with this broker also. You also find a link below the video if you want to trade with this broker. You also find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count for this broker, okay? Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification so you never lose a video. Also, make a comment below if you have any questions. So, as you can see here now, we made a profit trade. Was that easy? Just while I'm talking, we made $95. So, the strategy is very simple. The way I trade, as you can see now in front of your eyes, we made a trade. And you see the trades I did here today. These trades I did all from 30 in the session. This first trade here, I got a little bad entry. So in the session I did. So I did one more 200 just so I can get exactly on this line, you know, because it was this line I was trading in the session also. And no, actually it was not this one, it was this line I was trading here. Yeah, was a good one also. But you can see we have a good one here also. All these lines for this, and this, and this, I gave for WhatsApp and Telegram. So you can just go in there completely for free and follow what I'm doing, okay? So what I do, I just identify specific lines. I give them the number you see to the right here, and you basically can just copy what I'm doing. So if you want to just do for free, check out WhatsApp, Telegram, and even now Twitter. I post everything there. But if you really want to take advantage to see me trading like this, where I'm trading in front of you, I explain everything. I even do Forex trades like I did here. See, it's running now currently in profit, the trade we did here for British pound against dollar. And I explain why I take the trades, so you can really take the advantage to learning from me. Make sure you join with the link below the video for that also, okay? So this is a short video. It was just an update video to show you how much money you can make just by following what I'm doing. And I really hope you appreciate that, because just by copying what I'm doing, you can print money with binary option. But yeah, here's the catch. If you want to copy what you see I do here on the screen now, you need to use the same broker like me. Because if you use another broker, a winning trade for me can be a losing trade for you. And as you see with the win rate we have here, yeah, I guess you want to copy with the same broker, so you have the same winning trades like me. So make sure you sign up for this broker today. Join my WhatsApp, Telegram, or Twitter account. You find the links below. Or if you really want to take advantage, sign up and see me live here at YouTube where I'm trading like this. Okay? So with that, have an amazing day and enjoy the rest of your day.